Very good morning, 8th class students. Our running topic is direct and inverse proportion. So from that today I am going to explain 10.4 exercise problems. Listen well. Rice costing 480 rupees is needed for 8 members for 20 days. So the cost of rice 480 to 8 members for 20 days. Then what is the cost of rice required for 12 members for 15 days? See here I am making one table from the data. See here solution. Here what are the terms? First, cost of rice. Second, members. And third, days. In case 1, what is the cost of the rice? 480 rupees. For how many members? 8 members. And for how many days? 20 days. In case 2, I don't know what is the cost of the rice. Cost of rice needed to 12 members in 15 days. In 15 days. See here, always cost of rice is directly proportional to members and also days. See here, first ratio. What is the ratio of the cost price? 480 is to K. And what is the ratio of the members? 8 is to 12. And what is the ratio of the days? 12 is to 15. Cost price of rice always directly proportional to number of members. Then cost price directly proportional to number of days required. So cost price is directly proportional to number of members and also cost price is directly proportional to number of days. So what we can write here? What is the ratio of the cost price? 480 is to K is equal to. No need to take inverse ratios. When you have take inverse ratio, if that is inversely proportional, you can take inverse ratio. Here both are directly proportional to cost of price is equal to compound ratio of 8 is to 12 and 20 is to 15. 8 is to 12 and 20 is to 15. It means 480 is to K is equal to 8 into 20 is to 12 into 15. Then 480 by K is equal to 8 into 20 by 12 into 15. 480 by K is equal to 8 into 20 by 12 into 15. Now come on, cancellation here. 5 3s are 5 4s are 4 1s are 4 3s are. So what is the here? 480 by K is equal to 8 by 9. I am doing cross multiplication. 480 into 9 is equal to K into 8. Then 480 into 9 by 8 is equal to K. 8 6 are 48 0. So K is equal to 9 6 are 54 540 rupees. So required cost price of rice is equal to 540 rupees. Here another question from 10.4 exercise. 10 men. How many members? 10 men can lay a road of 75 kilometers. 10 members, they can lay a road of 75 kilometers in 5 days. So 10 members are required to lay a road of 75 kilometers in 5 days. How many days can 15 men lay a road of 45 kilometers? What is the question here? 10 members are needed to lay a road of 75 kilometers in 5 days. In case to how many days? 15 members can lay a road of 45 kilometers. You have to find here number of days. Solution. First, draw a table to the situations. First, days. Next, members. Next, length of road. Length of road. In case 1, how many days required? 5 days required to lay road of 75 kilometers to 10 members. In second case, how many days are required to lay road of 45 kilometers to 15 members? Now ratios. What is the ratio of the day? 5:k. Let k days are required to complete 45 kilometers road in 15 days. Then ratio of the members 10:15 and ratio of the length of the road 75:45. Now see here, days are always inversely proportional to members. For example, if members are increased, days will decrease. If members are decreased, days will increase. Days and members always inversely proportional together. Next, days and length of road. Days and length of road. Days and length of road always directly proportional. Length and days and length of road always directly proportional. Why? Because if days increase, length of the road also increase. If days decrease, length of the road also decrease. So here days are inversely proportional to members and directly proportional to length of road. Here you have to change you have to take the inverse ratio of members. Why? Because days and the number of members inversely proportional. So you have to take the inverse ratio of members. 5:k is equal to compound ratio of. So this is inversely proportional to number. You have to take the inverse ratio. 10:15 means what is the inverse ratio of 10:15? 15:10. And days are directly proportional to length of road. So no need to change the ratio. Take that. What is that? 75:45. Then 5:k is equal to 15 into 75 is 10 into 45. 5/k is equal to 15 into 75 by 10 into 45. Any calculations here? 5 3s are 15. 5 9s are 45. 3 1s are 3 3s are 5 2s are 10. 5 1s are 5. Remaining 2 25. 5 5s are 3 1s are 3 5s are. So 5/k is equal to 5/2. Tell me now what we can write here. 2 into 5 is equal to k into 5. 5 and 5 gets cancelled. K is equal to 2. So required days is equal to 2. Okay now. So here 15 members can lay a load of 45 kilometers in 2 days. See here 14 typists typing 6 hours a day can take 12 days to complete the book. How many typists here? 14 typists. They are doing 6 hours work per day and they are completing the work in 12 days. How many days will 4 typists? How many here? 4 typists working 7 hours can complete the same job. First, number of typists. Next, working hours. Next, completing days. How many typists here? In first case, 14 are working. They are working 6 hours per day and completing the work in 12 days. In second case, how many? 4 typists. They are working 7 hours per day. How many days they will take to complete the work? What is the ratio of the typist? 14:4, and ratio of the working hours 6:7, and completing days 12:k. See, days are always inversely proportional to number of members. Here members means typist. Days are always inversely proportional to members, and also days are always inversely proportional to working hours. If working hours decrease, time duration increase. If working hours increase, time duration decrease. So both are inversely proportional. You have to take the inverse ratio of the members and also inverse ratio of the working hours. What is the ratio of the days here? 12:k. 12:k is equal to compound ratio of if you have take the inverse ratio. Why? Because both are inversely proportional to days. 6:7. It means you take 7:6. And 14:4, 4:14. Then 12:k is equal to 7 into 4 is to 6:14. Then 12/k is equal to 7 into 4 by 6 into 14. 7 ones are 7 twos are 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 ones are 2 threes are. So 12/k is equal to 1/3. So after the cross multiplication, k is equal to 12 into 3 is equal to 36. So we need 36 days to complete the work. So 8th class students, here is the homework. 175 men can dig a canal in 175 men can dig a canal 3150 meters long in 36 days. How many men are required to dig a canal 3900 meters long in 24 days?